Game launch blocked by the GOG Galaxy Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Before the technical guide for GOG Galaxy Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the GOG Galaxy Library, the primary library for the GOG Galaxy game client. It manages user achievements, cloud saves, and multiplayer matchmaking for titles purchased on GOG. If missing or mismatched after an update, the GOG Galaxy overlay will fail to appear, and users may be unable to launch games that require the Galaxy heartbeat check. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Galaxy Functions is a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered GOG Galaxy Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of GOG Galaxy Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A recommended diagnostic path for GOG Galaxy Library Management is outlined in the software resource linked below. To support our technical team and receive updates on GOG Galaxy Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.